guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new, then let me introduce that it's this is channel for spoken English, and it's all about spoken English with data analytics course, and in which I have started Excel from scratch. If you are the beginner, professional and housewife student, you can join guys, and you can watch my all the videos, previous videos what I have uploaded already. So go first, complete that, then come and watch later on the videos. I didn't upload any huge or long videos. I keep updating few things on Excel or spoken English, so you can easily get it whenever you start, and you will take interest, because there is no more pressure or load to read more and more. There are so short little videos uploaded. So guys, in today's video I am going to share about Excel, and what I have shared with you, what I have practiced earlier. Later on, what will I share? Let's get started without delaying, without making any longer videos. So just we can start. And if you are guys interested to learn Power BI, because somewhere nowadays any company, if you want to work, if you want to make dashboards that is needed in any business to show meaningful insights, you can make easily by learning Power BI, Excel. So guys, I thought I will help you if you are interested to join or to grow in your career, so you can easily grow and rise. So just keep practicing with me and learning with me. You can easily go. So don't think much, just start, go ahead, keep learning, keep practicing. I'm here to help you. If you are facing any kind of difficulties, then comment me, I will answer you. So guys, don't take more pressure. Let's get started without delay. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn about how can we put today's days in Excel sheets. Like if you press Control after selecting this cell, I am pressing Control and semicolon. Are you watching guys? It comes by itself the today's date. This is miracle. If you don't have to type anything, if you want any extra text or anything, you just type Control and semicolon, it will come naturally today's days. So it's magical guys, Excel magic formula. So keep in your mind, when you press Control and semicolon, it will come the today's days. Keep in your mind. And if you want to change the date, then you just have to type 7 to enter. No, sorry. You just have to type 7 dash 2. I think it will come naturally. It is taken like this: 7 dash 2 dash 26. And if you want to change the date, then you just have to type 7.2.26. What happened? Oh my god, it is not changing. Why? What happened? So keep in your mind, that is not working. I will share with you later on, but keep in your mind to get your today's date. It is natural, and while scrolling down, you will get the next date: 2 April, 2nd, 3rd April, 4th April. It will come naturally guys if you drag it. So this is a magical formula, just keep in your mind. And the second one, like here, have name, here I have typed NAME, name, ID, year, date of birth, and here Sushma, Sanjay, Atik, Divans. Okay, so now I am going to practice fridge pens. How can we use fridge while typing? Like I am here in the middle of the page and I'm typing something and I don't know that what is on this column, what I have to type here on this column. I don't know whether it is year or date of birth. I'm unable to see. So how can I be understand that what I have to type here? So for that purpose we can freeze the pens. So how it will work, as if it will be visible that I have to type name here in this column, I have to type here ID, I have to type here year. So in 10 and 11, 12 up to 12 we can easily see that what I have to type, but after 12 we are not able to see what I have to type. So for that purpose we have to freeze it, and how it will work, let's watch. So as I have to freeze this column, this row, name, ID, year, date of birth, so I have to select the lower cell. What you have to freeze, I have to freeze name, ID, so you have to select lower when you where you want to use freeze. After in the lower of that cell you have to select. Okay, this one I have to make freeze, so I have to select the lower cell of that particular cell, and then you have to go view, and here you will see freeze pens. Yeah, are you seeing guys? Are you watching? Here is the freeze pens. So freeze pens, freeze only top row. Here there are 3 options. Freeze pens means it will work both side, rows and columns both, and only if you want to top row then it will work only top rows, and if you want to freeze the first column then only it will freeze the first column. Okay, so I just want to top rows, so it has freeze. Are you watching guys? Now where we will 81 or 100 or 154 rows number, we can easily see that in this cell I have to type name, in this cell I have to type ID, in this cell year and date of birth. It is visible easily. Are you seeing? And if you want to type this side like this one, and after scrolling it is not visible which name on which name we have to enter any kind of details. Here the name, are you watching guys? Here is the name Sushma, Sanjay, Atik, Devans. So when we type here, when it is visible, is it okay? We can type, but after scrolling right side we are unable to see where we have to entry on which name, like where I don't know, I'm unable to see the name of any kind of person. So where we will type, it can be mistaken. So what I have to do, we have to freeze that particular cell also. So now how it will work? So as we have freeze upper rows, top rows, now we have to this column only. So go for that, you have to freeze this column. So you don't have to click here, you have to click after that cell, next cell here. Okay, and after clicking here you can go view and then freeze, and freeze first column. It has freezed, guys. Now you can see it is not moving, it has fixed. These names are have fixed, it is not moving. So it is works like that. And if you want to unfreeze it, then go select, go view, and there will be option unfreeze. It has unfreezed. Now it will, if you do, then it is. And if you want to unfreeze that cell top rows, then after selecting here you have to go view and then freeze. Then it is, I think it has already unfreezed. So that's how we can work, we can practice. And next on I am going to share, like, if you go page setup, you want to know about page setup, guys. So here in page layout, go to page setup. In this arrow you have to select, and always keep in your mind that there are two options to print out. First one is portrait and second one is landscape. If you want to get in long paper A4 size, then longitudinally, then it will be portrait. And if you want to widely print, then it will be landscape. You can see the example here. This is long paper. If you want to print this type, then you have to select portrait, and if you want to widely, then you have to click landscape. And for there are too many pages in your report or in your any kind of reports, okay. So you want to fit it in one page, then you have to decrease the percentage here from 100 to what will be fitted there. You have to adjust accordingly. And fit to one, here there will be so many pages, then you have to select here fit to one, then it will come naturally. And you can see print preview, okay. So these are the things you can print from here by back. So these are the things to learn for today. I am not giving too much pressure to learn, just keep learning little bit. It is naturally you can learn by playing, by practicing, and by entertaining, by doing entertainment. So you can learn easily, guys. Keep watching, keep learning. This is, guys, don't take much pressure. I am sharing little bit. By doing any activities, you can learn easily. There are no any pressure or tension to learn and to invest more time. By giving 5 to 10 minutes, you can learn easily, you can practice easily throughout the day. So just practicing, keep practicing. And yeah, don't practice it in one day. Throughout the week, keep practicing these things on daily basis. It will be in your mind, and you can easily work on Excel on any company, and you can grow in your career. So thank you, keep watching, keep learning, keep practicing, guys, and keep rising.